Welcome to Body Balance Buzz, the channel that's all about helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today we've got something special for you. If you've been struggling with your weight loss journey, you're in the right place. We're about to share 10 proven tips for weight loss success that will change the way you think about shedding those extra pounds. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss any of these game-changing tips. Before we dive into the tips, let's establish the foundation of successful weight loss. It all starts with one simple truth: it's a journey, not a sprint. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your dream body. So, be patient with yourself, and remember that every step forward is progress. Tip number 1: it's all about your diet. They say, you are what you eat, and that couldn't be truer. The foundation of weight loss success lies in your diet. Focus on whole, nutritious foods, such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed junk filled with empty calories and added sugars. Keep a food journal to stay accountable, and gradually make healthier choices until it becomes a lifestyle. Tip number 2: watch your portions. Overeating can sabotage your progress. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and paying attention to your body's hunger cues. When you eat slowly and savor each bite, you'll naturally consume less while still feeling satisfied. Eating mindfully can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. Tip number 3: stay hydrated. Water is your best friend on this journey. It not only keeps you hydrated but can also help control your appetite. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if you're active, you might need even more. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to make it easier to stay on track. Tip number 4: get moving. Exercise is crucial for weight loss. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or hitting the gym. The key is to keep your body moving regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise. Consistency is the key to success here, so find something you love and stick with it. Tip number 5: sleep and stress management. Don't underestimate the power of good sleep and stress reduction. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormone balance, making it harder to control your weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Additionally, managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time for yourself can help prevent emotional eating and keep your body in fat-burning mode. Tip number 6: track your progress. Keep a weight loss journal, take photos, or use apps to track your progress. Seeing your achievements in black and white can be incredibly motivating. Remember that weight loss isn't just about the number on the scale. It's also about how you feel, your energy levels, and your overall health. Tip number 7: consistency is king. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your dream body. Stick to your plan, even when you face setbacks or plateaus. Consistency pays off in the long run, and those small daily efforts add up to significant changes over time. Don't be discouraged by occasional slip-ups. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Tip number 8: seek support. Don't be afraid to lean on friends, family, or support groups. Sharing your journey can provide motivation and accountability. Joining a fitness class or finding a workout buddy can make exercise more enjoyable and keep you on track. You're not alone in this, so reach out for help when you need it. Tip number 9: mindset matters. Your mental attitude plays a massive role in weight loss. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and don't let setbacks define you. Develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Visualize your success and stay focused on your goals, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Tip number 10: celebrate small wins. Weight loss success is made up of many small victories. Reward yourself for hitting milestones, it keeps you motivated. Treat yourself to non-food rewards like a new workout outfit, a spa day, or a weekend getaway. Recognizing your achievements along the way will make your journey more enjoyable and sustainable. And there you have it, our 10 proven tips for weight loss success, with some extra insight to help you on your journey. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. We believe in you, and we know you can do it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another health and fitness update from BodyBalanceBuzz. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tips before, or do you have some weight loss tips of your own to share? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and keep buzzing with BodyBalanceBuzz.